5 reasons you are not making $100K online. 5 reasons you are not making $100K online. Are you making over $100K online? There are really only 2 possible answers. No, if you're not yet making over $100K online and you want to, I recommend watching this free training immediately. Yes, if you are making over $100K online, then this still might be for you. If you're 100% satisfied with your current revenue, then just keep what you're doing. But if you'd like to take your business to the next level, this can help with that. In this free training, you'll see how one man made over $10 million selling information and the 5 reasons why you're not making $100K or more online. So if you're not yet at that level, this is very valuable training because he will also tell you how to overcome those obstacles. These are obstacles that are often hidden in plain sight. They are right in front of your eyes, but may have never considered the fact that these things are costing your business a ton of lost opportunity. It's possible that not all 5 of these problems exist in your business, but even if just one of them does, this could make a life-changing difference for you. I highly recommend that you check out this free training today and see the 5 reasons that you may not be making over $100K online. It will be well worth your time to watch it. 5 reasons you are not making $100K online.